Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to type on a path in Photoshop. So you can see here I have my canvas open already, and on a new layer I'm going to go ahead and make a circle. And let's make this in a nice color so you can see it. We don't want it too dark though, because I'm going to type on top. Okay, so just go ahead, holding down Shift makes a perfect circle. And then using my magic wand, I'm just going to go ahead and select this. Then here, I'm going to switch over to paths. If your path panel isn't here, you can find it here, window, paths. And then down here at the bottom, I'm going to click on this one, which will make a work path from what I had selected. Now it's as easy as selecting my type tool. And if you want to type in the circle, you just hover anywhere in the circle. You can see my cursor has changed. And I click, and then I've copied some text. So I'm just going to paste in my text here. What's going on? I think it is very large. Is it too large? What's going on? Oh, the color's the wrong color, so we can't see what we're doing. There we go. That's great. All right, so you can see there that my text is in the circle. You can also, if we come back over here to paths, select our work path again, and then get the type tool. You can also, if you hover over the line, you can see that my cursor is different. So if we click right here and paste, now it's going around the circle. Okay, so I'm actually going to come in here. I'm going to delete my text and just type something a little shorter. So we can say this tutorial is really great. Okay, so you might want to move this around the circle. You might want to flip it in the circle. So you do that here by, if we come to this arrow down here, which, what is this arrow called? The path selection tool. Then if we hover around, we'll get some different options. So this one here, I can drag it in the circle. And then if I just kind of drag it around, I can bring it around. So now we should be near the bottom. Bring it back up here, and then if I just kind of drag it out, now it's back there. One more quick tip I'm going to show you before we end this tutorial is if you want to add a little padding between your shape and your text. If you make sure that your text is selected over here, we just want to increase this number here. So if we type in 30, you can see my text popped up there, which is also usually very helpful when your text is in here. If I want to pop it out, there it's going to go in. So I actually want to use here a negative number, and now it will pop out from the circle.